divide 732 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 3. So this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 3 and it is 33. 4 times 8 is 32. On subtracting, we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 4. So we put down this 2 and it is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. On subtracting, we get 0. So 732 divided by 4 is 183. So this much for today and thanks for watching.